Week 19. Last week, I was supposed to hook up RevenueCat's functions within my view models such that my app can start calling the paywalls from RevenueCat. That wasn't done. I had friends visiting, and they're actually still here as we speak. I'm seeing them off tomorrow. And to be clear, the SDK for RevenueCat is already in my repo, in my project. The data layer has been complete, and I'm just waiting to actually hook it up to the view models. And that will become next week's focus. And what I did manage to accomplish this week was creating a Google group for the first batch of alpha testers. And just so that we're on the same page. Now, if you want to publish a brand new app on Google Play Store, Google Play Store requires that you have thoroughly tested it, and they require at least 12 testers. And so far I managed to recruit 6 or 7 friends and family, and unfortunately the vast majority of them are actually iPhone users. So the recruitment of test users would become a focus probably in a couple weeks' time. Nevertheless, the Google Groups is created, and in Google Play Console, you can use the Google Groups to manage your alpha testers. And I ran into a little bit of an issue. In fact, what is really weird is within Google Play Console, you cannot use Google Groups created from within Google Workspace. You have to use public Google Workgroups. That was very annoying, but it is the way it is. My app is mostly feature complete, short of some polish with regards to the way that the user experience plus the RevenueCat paywall side of things. And I'm targeting first half of this year for the first alpha release for my MVP to the test users on the Android platform. And I'm looking at the calendar. I don't actually have a lot of time left. I have about 4 full weeks that I can work on this, and I'm actually going to be away for a little while before the first half of this year. So time be ticking, and we'll see if I can stick to the timeline that I've set for myself. Anyway, so to summarize, last week, not much was accomplished. Google Groups was created. A few friends were actually added in the Google Groups. I'll worry about the recruitment of alpha testers down the line. But next week, I will actually hook up RevenueCat and actually make it work from within the app. And that's it for this week. I will see you next week.